Today we're diving into the world of Raymarine, the pinnacle of marine electronics for yachts and superyachts. At Concord Marine Electronics, we craft custom Raymarine installations for ultimate navigation, connectivity, and entertainment. With over 35 years of expertise, we transform vessels with cutting-edge technology, enhancing safety, performance, and luxury. As an authorized Raymarine dealer, we offer complete design, installation, and support for their premium products. From high-definition radar to advanced sonar, we tailor every installation to your yacht's unique needs. Why choose Raymarine? Proven durability, intuitive interfaces, and seamless compatibility with Autopilot and GPS systems. Why choose Concord Marine Electronics? Over 35 years of expertise, NMEA-Certified technicians, and custom installs. Ready to experience Raymarine's power on your yacht? Let's talk. Today we're diving into the world